Guess they say black fatigue is when white people or any group of people start to get tired of black people's BS. Do I think black fatigue is real? No, but fatigue is. And I know some of you get uncomfortable hearing the N-word, so for this video, I'm going to replace the N-word with puppy. To all the puppies out there, people are getting fed up with your puppy antics. Puppy fatigue is your own fault. And black people, if you get mad at me for saying this, then I guess you consider yourself puppies too. Because I'm not talking about black people, I'm talking about puppies. And let's keep it real, black folk. We getting tired of puppies too. That's why when black people become successful, the first thing they do is move far away from puppies. Because puppies are loud, aggressive, violent, annoying. They destroy people's properties, and the young puppies are the worst ones. This is why nobody wants to be on planes or cruise ships with puppies. Nobody wants to be confined in one place for hours with a bunch of wild puppies. But watch, once people start pushing back on puppies, all of a sudden puppies gonna start being like, see, we told you white people hate black people. No, they don't hate black people. They love black people. They just can't stand you puppies. And let's be clear, puppies can't even stand puppies either. That's why they keep killing each other. I grew up in South Central LA around nothing but puppies. I was even a young pup myself for a while, but I knew I couldn't be a puppy all my life. So I made the necessary changes to stop being a pup. I don't hate puppies. I don't hate you. But once I start making some good money, I'm moving as far away from you puppies as possible, just like Black Lives Matter did.